Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Chemtech building. We are at 147 to 149 Constant Spring Road. There you can see a very nice building. Job well done. I must say this building is looks very modern. The architects did an excellent job with this building. And this building went up very quickly. It's very impressive at the speed at which it went up. It was a Chinese contractor that put up the building. And there you can see the sign. Now this sign says 4 floors, but the building clearly has 7 floors. Definitely more than 4. So I'm not sure if the lower floors are for parking or it's a mistake on the sign. So if anybody knows what's going on with that, you can leave a comment in the section below. The sign we just looked at said 4 floors, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. I'm not sure, but the top 2 floors are going to be for the Chemtech company. Their head office will be on the top 2 floors, and Chemtech is a real estate developer. They build housing developments all over Jamaica, but the more popular ones are located in Trelawney, St. Anne and St. Mary. Now the top 2 floors are going to be for the Chemtech company. The middle floors are going to be for a BPO, and the ground floors are going to have restaurants and commercial space. As you can see, very nicely done, very impressive. This is a kind of progress you like to see for Jamaica. Not just putting up a tall building, but buildings that have architectural design like this. Very nicely done. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We're just giving you a quick update. And the building is 42,000 square feet and it should be finished this year. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below, and if anybody knows what's going on, why they have 4 floors on the board but it's clearly 6 or 7 floors. Is it that the first 3 floors are going to be for parking, because the building looks like it has basement parking? So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. There you can see it again. I mean, it says 4 floors. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to be driving on Constant Spring Road towards Halfway Tree. This building, because when you look at the building and count the floors, it looks like 7. You can leave a comment in the section below. And this is Constant Spring Road. As you can see, it was recently renovated. Very nicely done. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the video as we drive towards Halfway Tree. I'm not sure why that sign said 4 floors, because the building is at least 7 floors. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.